7 Best Portable Bandsaw. In this video, we are going to explain here the best portable bandsaw reviews. Product link provides on the description box. Number 1. WIN Variable Speed Handheld Portable Bandsaw. Power source, corded electric. 4.6 rating out of 5. Product specification: lightweight portable design. Powerful 10 amp motor glides. Weighs in at a mere 14.5 pounds. Makes cuts up to 5 inches wide and 5 inches deep. Blade speed from 60 to 420 feet per minute. Number 2. DeWalt Atomic Brushless Cordless Compact Bandsaw. Power source, battery powered. 4.8 rating out of 5. Product specification: blade release lever with wrench. Single point tracking adjustment. One-handed and overhead cutting guard. Variable speed trigger and speed dial. Metal latch secures the pivoting guard. Number 3. DeWalt 20V Max Portable Bandsaw. Power source, battery powered. 4.8 rating out of 5. Product specification: LED light for dark work. Centered handle position. Can cuts up to 2 inches SCH-40 pipe. Superior balance and ergonomics cuts. Allows to hang the saw without damaging. Number 4. DeWalt Deep Cut Portable Bandsaw. Power source, corded electric. 4.9 rating out of 5. Product specification: has steel shroud and rubber bumpers. Including industry best 10 amp motor. Industry best 5-inch deep cut capacity. Multi-position adjustable large front handle. LED sight light allows to see cut line in dark. Number 5. DeWalt 20V Max Portable Bandsaw Kit. Power source, battery powered. 4.8 rating out of 5. Product specification: saw allows more accurate cuts. Ergonomic soft grip back handle. Dual bearing blade guide rollers. Blade tracking increases blade life. LED light illuminates dark work surfaces. Number 6. DeWalt 10 amp Motor Portable Bandsaw. Power source, corded electric. 4.7 rating out of 5. Product specification: designed with power to any application. LED light allows to see cut line in dark. Serviceable steel shroud and rubber bumpers. 5-inch deep cut capacity rectangular stock. Multi-position adjustable large front handle. Number 7. DeWalt Deep Cut Portable Bandsaw Kit. Power source, battery powered. 4.8 rating out of 5. Product specification: variable speed for versatility and control. Metal bandsaw has 5-inch cutting capacity. 4-inch cut capacity of the portable bandsaw. Cuts up to 4-inch SCH-40 pipe and double strut. Brushless motor for performance and durability. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe, click the bell icon and share.